Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and happy. This is Masood here. First of all, you have to write address, and instead of this address, we write examination hall, E capital, H capital, and comma. Then city is within bracket, C capital, A capital, B capital, and C also capital. Then date 23rd May, 21st May. Write the full spelling of the month, comma, and 2021. No need to write full stop. This is optional. So you will get marks of this address if you write it completely correct. Next one is my dear father. Salutation है M capital, D small, and F capital. No need to write D capital. If you write two letters, for example, dear father, then you write D capital and F capital. जब आप 3 letters लिखेंगे, 3 words लिखेंगे, तो फिर आपने M capital, D small और F capital, brother का B capital, mother का M capital. और अगर आप सिर्फ 2 letters लिखेंगे, तो फिर आपने सिर्फ D capital लिखना है और साथ आगे brother, father, mother, उसका जो फर्स्ट लेटर होगा उसको कैपिटल लिखेंगे. Start with this beautiful line. Though our relation is a perennial bond of warm blood relation. Perennial means सदाबहार. इसमें स्पेलिंग थोड़े से गलत लिख देते हैं. PERE NNIAL. अगर आपको ये स्पेलिंग याद ना रही तो इसकी जगह पर everlasting लिख लें. EVER evergreen लिख लें, everlasting लिख लें. बॉन्ड ऑफ वार्म ब्लड रिलेशन, ये ब्लड रिलेशन के लिए होगा फादर, मदर, सिस्टर. और अगर आप किसी फ्रेंड को लिख रहे होंगे तो फिर हम यहाँ पर इंटीमेट लिख लेंगे, इंटीमेट रिलेशनशिप. वेन एवर आई रिसीव्ड एनी गुड न्यूज ऑफ योर हेल्थ, मुझे आपकी जब सेहत की खबर मिलती है. माई जॉय नोज नो बाउंड्स, मेरी खुशी की कोई इंतहा नहीं रहती. यहाँ पर JOY के साथ S नहीं लिखा हुआ और नोज के साथ एस लिखा हुआ. दिस इज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. फिर आगे नो बाउंड्स, कोई हद नहीं रहना. इट गिव्स मी एवरलास्टिंग प्लेजर एंड सेटिस्फैक्शंस, हमेशा दायमी मुझे खुशी और तसल्ली होती है. आई रिसीव्ड योर लेटर 2 days ago, 2 दिन पहले खत मिला. आई कुड नॉट रिप्लाई इट अर्ली बिकॉज आई वाज बिजी इन टेकिंग माय सेकंड टर्म एग्जामिनेशन. In that letter, you asked me about my progress in studies. आपने मेरी studies के बारे में पूछा. Now we will write it in detail about our studies. I am pleased to tell you that my studies are going very well these days. The detail is as follows. Number 1. In English and physics, I have got the highest marks in recently announced results. In mathematics, here you can write bio as well. And Urdu, I have also obtained A grade. Unfortunately, but kismati se, I could not do well in chemistry. In fact, my chemistry teacher fell ill just before exams. And we couldn't revise some of the important topics. हम जो उसके अहम टॉपिक्स थे उसको रिवाइज नहीं कर सके, इसलिए मेरे केमिस्ट्री में मार्क्स कुछ कम आए. But I'm sure that I will improve it in the final term examination. Dear father, I often take help from my teachers whenever I find any difficulty. Some special classes are being arranged by them to make up our weaknesses. हमारी कमजोरियों को दूर करने के लिए कुछ स्पेशल क्लासेस भी होती हैं, मैं उन्हें भी ज्वाइन करता हूँ. I also take regular help from my seniors. I study regularly according to our timetable I daily revise all my class notes at my hostel. I am hopeful that I will show you a much better result in next examination. I just need your guidance and prayers to fulfill my dreams. Pay my salam and regards to all at home. Here you can write, pay my love to the kids, the younger, and regards to the elders. Yours affectionately. Be careful about YOURS without apostrophe. Okay? Affectionately is used for blood relation, and left side X, Y, Z, and full stop over there. Okay? When you write your friends, you can write yours sincerely, your faithfully. But when you write your blood relation, you write affectionately. And if you still have any question, put your question in the comment box. I'll upload another letter for you.